Customer satisfaction is a top measure of success for broadband operators. Yet 62% of business customers are dissatisfied with their service. This means you have a big opportunity to set your business apart. Occasional technical failure is inevitable, but it doesn't have to impact customer satisfaction. With the right Broadband Solutions repair services partner, you can elevate customer satisfaction. Tech Data Global Lifecycle Management is authorized to work on the systems that keep your customers connected, with OEM-certified technicians who deliver consistent operational excellence. Our GLM team members are certified industry experts. We work with in- and out-of-warranty components, know how all your systems fit together, and deliver solutions that work right the first time. And with comprehensive visibility into the repair process, your customers won't have to ask when their solution will be fixed because they'll already know. By partnering with us, you'll keep your services working in top condition and your customers happy. Ready to get started? You can find us on the web at servicesbytechdata.com/broadband-solutions.